Hey guys, so welcome again to my channel, and for today's video I'm very excited to share with you a trip of a lifetime kasi I'm going to be with the whole family. I'm gonna be with the wifey, my eldest and my youngest daughter, and today we're going to Osaka, Japan. So it's been siguro mga 17 years since huli ako nakapunta ng Osaka, so I'm very excited. But yung pinaka-highlight ng trip na to is not the places that we're going, but we're going to be traveling with a 9-month-old infant, which is my youngest, which is Adina. So tignan natin yung struggles kung gaano ba kahirap mag-travel with an infant, kung ano yung mga dapat nating i-take consideration. Just enjoy watching. If you can, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe muna before anything else. And tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming trip. Let's go! Yung kakadating lang namin. Dito pa lang. Pahirapan na. Kaya namin dala eh. Wow, naman ang baby.
Wala, maaga itong nagising talaga.
Kasi April 12, the first Saturday before the Holy Week. Fairness wala masyadong tao. Dahil we're Cathay Pacific, dito tayo. So, dahil may dala daw kaming baby, sa priority kami. Originally, our flight is at 12:30, pero dahil maaga daw kami nandito, we were given a chance for free na i-take yung earlier flight. So, pagdating namin sa Hong Kong, kasi connecting flight mas mahaba yung oras namin sa Hong Kong. And may connecting kami sa Hong Kong papuntang Osaka. So,
good morning. Hello. Good morning.
So just got out of immigration. Okay naman. So far, are you acting up, anak? Hindi naman, di ba? Hindi naman. Makulit ba ikaw?
No.
Hindi naman, di ba? Pagod? Hindi na pala.
Ang bilis nga sa immigration.
Ang bilis ngayon. Yeah. So, kain muna. We only have one. So far, easy lang siya kakakain. Hindi na siya umiiyak. My baby and I are boarding earlier. Thank you. Oh, di ba? See? Let's go. Yeah. Thank you. Good morning. Bye-bye daw. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Going to Japan. So ayun. Advantage din. Actually, ang ganda ng service ng Cathay Pacific. In fairness, pag may bata, nilapitan kami to get the stroller. Naka-plastic ang stroller. We were asked for an earlier flight and sobrang priority kami. Nung dala ko to dati si Adina papuntang Hong Kong, the other airline, hindi ko na babanggitin, wala kaming nakuha kahit anong ganung service. Cathay Pacific, very good. Hi. 44? Okay. Alright, so yeah. Look. Hi. Oh. Ah. You okay? You guys okay?
Yeah.
Hirap ha. Yan. So mag-enjoy na lang siya dyan sa mini entertainment system. But so far, she is doing well. No crying, right? No crying. No crying. Woo. We're going to Hong Kong. Then Japan. Woohoo! So the baby is now busy. Hindi pa kami nag-take off, pero busy siya sa cartoons. Hopefully she carries on. pa rin naman umiiyak. We're just gonna make her just watch movie, get her some snacks, and we should be good to go, right? No, bait-bait ng baby ko. Hindi naman lang umiyak. Very cool. Nantok na siya. Kami, tulog pala. Uy, di. Hi, sorry. We have a trolley. It's just over there. Okay, thank you. Adina. Hi. So, welcome to Hong Kong. Yan. So, isa sa medyo hassle eh. Pag-assemble and disassemble niyang stroller na yan. You okay? Hi! Okay, another 18 session dito sa Hong Kong. Adi, are you okay? Gusto talaga yung pagkain, no? Umiyak na ba siya ngayon, araw? Hindi pa. Ikaw, umiyak ka na? Gusto mo umiyak?
Lapit na.
Okay, so still up until now, medyo hindi pa rin siya umiyak, pero ramdam mong may pagod na, no? Kasi it's been how many hours right now? It's about 3:20 na ng hapon, Manila time. We're still here in Hong Kong. And darating tayo dun sa Japan ng andang 9 o'clock. So it's almost 4 o'clock. It's been what? How many hours of traveling? Like 8 hours and I'm tired. Anak ko, di pa pagod. So yeah. Another priority boarding dahil may maliit kami. Ayun na, magjajapan na si babae kong liit. Okay, the kid's gonna enjoy this because she found Bluey, one of her favorite. Bluey, meron sa entertainment system nila. Bluey, oh, she's laughing, oh. Oh, she's smiling, ah. Bluey, oh.
Bluey, favorite ko.
Bluey, oh. Look how messy we are right now. But she's eating too. You're eating too? You're eating too, right? Ah. She's having a little rice. Wow. Dumi na ng damit niya. One more. Oh, wow. Wow. Delicious na. So my 9-month-old is eating on her own. Buwa siya. Buwa siya ng pagkain. Okay. Oh.
Wala.
Isa-isa lang na ka. Isa pa. Oh. Sige lang. Ang dami ginagawa. So, Adina? Hey, Adina. Di? Welcome to Osaka after ako 18 years yata. 17 years. Welcome to Japan, anak. Tadaima. Ay, happy ka?
Itadakimasu.
Uy, hindi. We have to get our ayan. So ayun yung ano muna natin. Yung ating stroller yan. So ayun, 9:25 local time. Dumating kami. Siguro mga umalis kami sa bahay kanina umaga mga 7 o'clock. And sa time ngayon sa Pilipinas 8 o'clock. So roughly 13 hours of traveling the whole day. Nakapagod pero masaya kasi hindi naman nagkulit si Adina. Ako yung pagod actually kasi puyat. But we're here in Japan. Ano mukha niya? Shh, Adi, are you happy? Nasa mukha niya na happy. Say happy. Asim. Mamaya anak, papaypahinga na tayo, ha? Hi. Ikaw, hi ate.
So excited ako. Kasi tagal ko noon din ako.
Mukhang gusgusing mayaman, anak.
Ganto kasi yun.
Oo nga,
Kapag
oo na. So apparently, we will have a problem. Magkukumute kami pa hotel. Ang dami namin dala. Kasama pa namin si Adina, and I have to use one of my hand to vlog. Ang mahal kasi ng taxi dito, so problema to. Ito problema, bibili kami ticket. Hindi ko alam kung saan at kung paano o sa... Ay, bahala na. So, kaya sakay na kami sa station. Ang problema, dalawang transfer pa kami, and it's gonna take like an hour to go to where we are staying. Medyo malamig. So passengers with oversized luggage, please use the elevator. Good night. Pasok. Buti yan, may elevator.
次は神宮タウンです。神宮タウンの次は泉佐野に停まります。Thank you for waiting.
So, 12 o'clock, abutan namin cut off. Dito kami sa Namba. Pagod. So, hindi na namin inabot yung last train. Nag-taxi lang kami actually. Ayan yung taxi sinakyan namin. Dito na kami sa harap ng aming Airbnb. So, let's go inside. It's a self-check-in hotel, so walang receptionist. May instruction.
2025.
Press to start. English. Check in.
Up, no shoes inside daw, sabi. Tanggal muna.
So, ito ang kwarto. Oh, maliit lang siya.
Kala ko malaki.
Oo, kala malaki. Pero, ano
Maganda.
meron dito? CR, tapos
Laundry.
ito yung laundry. Maliit lang. Okay yan. Meron lang. Punta tayo. Buksan yung aircon.